Okay, where are we even going? The area where Red threw his lightsaber. Oh, look at that if you can see it. There you go. Hey, did you guys hear something? Yep, lasers. Drive faster! Guys, I'm not dying alone. Magic missile. Oh, man. Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay, guys? Yep, we're all fine. Well, looks to be it's a bit damaged. Like, it doesn't look like any damage, but trust me, it is damage. But yeah, it doesn't look like we're going anywhere with this thing anymore. So we're gonna need to. Oh, we're gonna have to go on foot. Well, the other question is, where are we? Exactly. We need to. Well, we need to survive. Well, that's the most important thing. We need to survive. So yeah. Well, at least it's a good thing we have our lightsabers. Yep, I gotta chop things up again. Well, yeah. So, well, we have a shovel in there somewhere, but you guys go like get some sticks and stones and that. The sticks and stones may break my bones. Shut up. Oh, that's a bit rude. Well, you do that, and I'll try and see if I can find the location of the lightsaber. What's wrong with you? The lightsaber. I don't know. Just go get the sticks and stones. I need to find this lightsaber, and I must. I just have to. I just don't know where Red buried it. Well, anyway, I wonder whatever happened. Wonder if the man that I sold. Wonder what happened to him. Like, did he get caught or anything? I don't know. No, okay. I just hope I find it. Well, find the lightsaber, of course. Well, hope we make shelter. Those are woods over there. Well, maybe we can take shelter on that. Maybe. Alright, Funtime Freddy, prepare for your punishment. No, it wasn't me. No, please, not the belt. Not the belt. Yeah, 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 yeah.